Hey Fantastics, welcome back to my channel. So Fantastics, as you guys can see on your screens, this is my new channel Farhana Nusrat, and this is a very special channel. You guys have been requesting me to make videos on how to make videos on YouTube, how to edit and how to make videos on your phone, and how, like, so many questions, like how you edit your videos on your phone and how you always edit your thumbnail on your phone, and like so many more questions. So this is a new channel where I am going to talk about all the techniques and all the strategies I use for my YouTube channel for free. You guys, this is not paid or anything like that. You just need to go and subscribe to my new channel, link in the description. और वहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस करने वाली हूँ एंड बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के वीडियोस लेके आने वाली हूँ मैं आपके लिए, all about YouTube and all reactions and like literally so many things. And I am also going to do so many food ASMRs and also some health and beauty stuff, so you don't want to miss that. And I am also going to be telling you how teenagers can make money and so many more interesting topics. So if you guys don't want to miss that, today after this video that channel will be premiered, so you guys can go from the first link in the description. And yeah guys, that's all. Now you guys can enjoy the video. हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस. सो या फैंटास्टिक, वी आर हियर अगेन विथ योर the most favorite series, which is like No Glue and No Borax series. And actually, to be honest, I think I am kind of having fun with this series as well, since I am doing so many videos. I think that there are actually a couple of, no glue, no borax recipe that actually works, which I haven't like known before. और क्योंकि guys मैं ये वाले idea से इतनी ज़्यादा disturbed थी, no glue, no borax, like I was like, there is no way like there is a true no glue, no borax recipe. So because of that, I am actually quite surprised because of this series. We have so many nice no glue, no borax recipes. So I have been searching for a lot of no glue, no borax recipes, और मैं वो आज आपके साथ try करने वाली हूँ. So let's see if those no glue, no borax recipes actually work or not. So yeah guys, without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So fantastics, as you guys can see, we have empty bowls. So today we are making a Colgate slime, since it is actually too much of quarantine and lockdown, and I am actually feeling super sorry for you guys that you guys doesn't have any ingredients. So I am trying my best to make slime with household items. So today I am making slime with this Colgate. You guys can use pretty much any toothpaste for this recipe, but Colgate would be the most ideal for this. So yeah, I am going to add Colgate in this bowl, and yeah, I'm going to add the whole tube, to be honest. So this is how much I have added. So let's see. And now I am just going to color it a little bit so that you guys can clearly see our slime. So I am taking this food coloring, orange red food coloring. So yeah, let's add our food coloring. Just a little bit of food coloring. Just a little bit. And now let's mix. This Colgate is actually absorbing the whole food coloring, and now it just looks like a beige color. But oh my god, I think I need to add a little bit more food coloring. This toothpaste is like eating up all the food coloring. So I think now you guys can see it a little bit clear. So fantastic. The recipe is super simple, and it is like kind of one ingredient recipe, which is like this toothpaste. We all have ovens or microwave in our house, so we need to microwave it for 10 seconds, and in total we have to microwave it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And let's see if this actually turns into slime or not. So I'll be back after microwaving it for 1 minute. So yeah, let's see if this turned into a slime or not. So fantastic. Sadly, as you guys can see, it doesn't really form a slime, but it kind of formed, you know, like a slime. Not, I think. So fantastic. As you guys can see, it did form a slime like texture. It is more like a clay than a slime, but this is kind of like a slime, I would say, but it doesn't really pass the slime test. Like, it feels more like clay than actual slime. It has a good bounce, but that's it, guys. It doesn't like really gets into like a slime kind of consistency. It is just more like a clay. So I think it does not work that greatly, but let me know in the comments if you guys have ever tried this slime and if it worked for you guys. It definitely doesn't work for me, but it would be kind of a great alternative for clay. Like, it is kind of like a clay if we dry this a little more. So yeah, now let's see the next recipe. So fantastics, in this next recipe we need some boomers. We need some boomer chewing gum, which is like super available all over the India. और आप actually में कोई भी chewing gum use कर सकते हैं इसके लिए. I am using this because this is what was available near my home. Even in this quarantine, you know, the shops near our houses is open. So when your father goes out or anybody goes out, you can just tell them to just bring some, you know, gums, and then you guys can try making slime with it. So yeah, I am taking like 4 or 5 because I need to eat some also. They are actually one of my favorite chewing gums. So yeah, these are actually the hardest to peel. Oh my god, but they look so cute, doesn't they? And I think I have 4. I will peel one more. This smells so good right now. I want to eat it so badly, but yeah, let's see. This one is the hardest now. What the hell? So yeah, we have finally 5 gums over here. I think this should be enough. And now we need some super hot water. And please take an adult's help if you are a very small kid, and pour everything like this. Pour water like this so that each gum is sunken in the hot water. Or you guys can just chew it, or you know, naturally just chew it and release all its gum, but that would be like too disgusting for me to do on camera. So yeah, but you guys can do it like this or the other way. I would prefer if you guys do it like this because this is more hygienic. So like this, you need to just clean everything. Like this, you need to melt everything like that. You need to be aware of these things. These actually stick so badly to your hands. So if you have gloves, then wear gloves. I actually don't have right now, so I'm not going to wear my gloves, but I really recommend to wear it because it is super hot as well. And now I will fast forward it, and then I will show you guys in the end when this is like a little bit cold. Don't touch it like this, it's like super hot. So yeah, I will fast forward this so that you guys can see the procedure. So yeah. So as you guys can see right now, it is still a bit too hot, but you guys can just do it like this. Don't let it touch your nails, then it will like happen like this. So yeah, don't try not to touch this with your nails because my nails are kind of ruined और ये बहुत दिनों तक ऐसे ही रहता है. I have done it before, so I know, but this is actually very fun to play. So just dip your hands in the hot water. If this gets very sticky, right now it is kind of manageable, but yeah, just like this. We need to keep on kneading this to, you know, remove everything. So fantastic. As you guys can see, this is our slime. Actually this is like super sticky, but anyways, use hot water to make it like unsticky again like this. And now you guys can play with it. Like, this is just an amazing slime. If you wear nail polish, then it will ruin it, like literally, but if you don't, then it is all good. Like, you guys can see how bad my nail polish looks right now. Oh my god, like this is destroyed. But yeah guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have watched till here, then comment down below this emoji down in the description for a shout out. And yeah guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.